At CMTS 2011, there's some high technology on the floor here. There's also some machinery that is just awesome in scope. There's some heavy iron on the ground here at CMTS. And I'm with Peter Fellows, application engineer at Mazak, Canada. Peter?
Hi, pleased to meet you.
Peter, this is a very large piece of equipment. What are we looking at here?
This is a multi-axis lathe. It's for heavy metal removal. We program this machine to be able to mill and turn at the same time. So the goal is to make a finished part in one chucking. Again, it specializes in quick metal removal. It's capable of drilling, milling, turning on the upper turret. The bottom turret can follow the upper turret, or they can work independently, as we can see on our graphics on the machine.
Peter, in terms of metal removal, we're looking at some serious tools here. What kind of metal removal rates are we looking at with a machine of this size, with this cylindrical cut that you're looking at here?
This machine is capable of taking a half-inch cut deep. So we could take either 1 inch off the material at a time, or if we stagger the turrets, we can take 2 inches off the material at a time.
At a single pass?
At a single pass.
Wow.
Okay. And because it's so quick, I've only programmed it to take off a 1/4 inch off the diameter at a time, because it's otherwise I would have no material for the demo at the show here. So we've programmed this machine to show what it can do. The first cut is a half-inch deep, the next cut is a 1/4 inch deep, and then we program some milling to show the pocketing. It does 3-axis milling, and then we program some grooving and some drilling.
Now, Peter, I'm looking at this. This is not what I would think of as a typical high-precision Swiss type operation here.
No.
What would applications be typically for a unit this size? Because that is one awesome piece of metal in that machine.
Commonly, the oil industry buys these machines to make big drill bits or big pipes. This machine's capable of 2-meter length at a time.
Okay.
15 inch in diameter if we need to.
Okay.
This material is only 10 inches.
You say so only, that's
only 10 inches.
I can imagine the weight of that material when you chucked it up was...
When we start out, it's 800 pounds.
Okay.
And that's only 40 inches long. Okay. But it's capable of putting 89 inches in here.
And overall, what's the capacity at the outer limit?
89 inches.
Okay.
And practically 15-inch diameter, although it's capable of swinging a larger diameter. Okay. So we can do 30-inch diameter if we need to.
Okay. And how many tools available at the turrets?
Each turret can hold 12 tools. Okay. The bottom turret doesn't have any so-called drilling tools or driven tools.
Yes.
The top turret can hold 12 tools, turning or driven, meaning end mills or drills or...
Peter, with metal removal rates like that, I expect you'd have to have a fairly heavy-duty chip removal conveyor system to clear this material.
And we do. The conveyor is 2-speed.
Okay.
Under normal conditions, the first slow speed is fine. And in our case, I have to go twice as fast to get the metal out. And I'll fill up a 55-gallon barrel in 2 work pieces.
Wow. The Mazak Hyper Quadrex 400 MY. This is obviously a machine for people with big parts who are in a hell of a hurry.
Yes.
Peter, thanks for showing it to me.
You're welcome.